everyone, welcome to my channel Inzi Creation. So guys, I'm really sorry for uploading my videos late. So today I'm going to try something new. Like when you are artist, like if you like to draw, then you also like to unbox new things and new art supplies and try those colors and try new things. So today I'm going to be trying to color my drawing with connector pens. So let's get started. So and guys, I think I'm going to use this also in some places where I don't have the shade. Okay, so let me show you the drawing. So guys, I made this drawing of Anna and Elsa from Frozen 2. And if you think this is not handmade, then I have a proof here. You know, when we use a marker, it bleeds through the paper and the same pattern comes behind. So yeah, first we'll be completing this, then we'll go to this. Yeah, so this is something new for me. I've never colored my beautiful artworks with sketch pens. So this is really something new for me, and I will love to color, and I really don't want to make any mistakes in that. Everything should be in a proper direction, and if I feel the color over here is not perfect, then I'll be using this also. But most of my drawing is most of my coloring is going to be done with connector pens. I'll show you the connector pens. Here it is. So we've removed the connector pens from the packet and we put it in a box. There's so many shades and I'm so happy because skin color. Let us now color. I know this is not the proper shade, it's a little bit dark, but why I'm coloring in lines, cause when you do that scribbling type of coloring, it won't look nice. But guys, when you will see it from far, it will not look so kind of that shade what I'm talking about. Already I have done over here the mistake what I didn't want to, so I'll fix that. I'll give a little bit kind of effect there, nose effect. What is going to come, that will be over there. Little area from the nose I'm leaving super dark because I did this color on the top of the sketch pen to hide the marks. Now I'm using this neon pink for the blush. You might not see the blush because already a lot of dark things have come. Yeah, so the blush is done. Now let's go to the eyelashes. I'm going to be using black connector pen. With the beautiful darkness of her eyelash. It might not be the perfect thing, but mistakes are something what each and every person makes. But the important thing is to have fun and enjoy in what you're doing. So guys, her hair color is little bit of yellowish, so it is actually golden, but we are going to be using yellow, and with the marker pens or the connector pens, we are going to be giving it highlights. Here I'm using yellow. So guys, if you have watched my jungle scenery video, in that video I showed you how you can do shading in trees. Shading is very simple. You just have to take a little darker or lighter shade of the same color. Let's finish. Here I'm using this only. Now I've decided that I'll use connector pens only for highlights, because again I don't want to do the same thing. Okay. Now we will do her jacket. For that I am using light blue color, but now I'll try to do with this light blue. So let us do. Okay, so the bottom part I'm doing dark, the bottom from here both, to give that kind of shading and that kind of effect to it. Yes, so many things are missing over here. Her lips, eyes and eyebrows. So for her eyebrows I'm using light brown from the connector pens. After her eyebrows I'm using light orange, very light, or little bit of peachy red. So when her eyes are done, using black, we'll color in over here. Guys, now she's looking super cool and nice. So yeah, now we'll do this, but before that, in some seconds I'm coming back. So guys, I'm back from my break, and now we are coloring this. Let me do it first. how the last thing looks like and what colors did I use to make the tones. So yeah, coming. Guys, watch this video till end because I want to ask you all something. And yeah, just that. Here I did maroon on, and on top of maroon I'm doing some light. I'm not pressing hard and I'm doing purple color. So guys, I think we are done, and now only her lips are left. And something more might be. So guys, here you can see what colors I have used, and I'm done with both. The important thing what I wanted to tell you is, guys, can you please tell me in the comment box below that which video should I upload next, and did you like this video? Did my coloring turn out great? And was my drawing beautiful? You can answer all these questions in the comment box below. And guys, the reason because I didn't make videos from so many days, I didn't upload them, was because of my studies. Like, we have to study also. Not only drawing is important, but studying is also important, and I hope you all are also studying. And yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and please answer my questions if you want to. Might be fun, and I'll show you the final look. Your how should I say this? Yes. So guys, bye guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And that's it for today. Hope you like it. Bye.